Here's why you might want to make this cottage cheese and oat loaf with courgette, carrots and seeds. It's utterly delicious. My name's Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist, and this is probably the best loaf I have made to date. And why might you want to do it? Well, because you can have this on the table in just over an hour. It's completely unprocessed. It's got natural ingredients like oats, cottage cheese, which boosts up the flavour and the protein. I've added a little bit of Parmesan to this. I've snuck in some vegetables, a whole courgette and a carrot. And I've also got pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds in there. You know it's going to be good for you. So it's got no preservatives or emulsifiers or refined grains. It's just a mix and go, no prove bread. It's super simple to make. Everybody loves it. It's great with soup, it's great with cheese. In fact, I've just made one here with some cream cheese and grated radish. Did you know if you grate radish, it doesn't taste quite so fiery? It tastes so amazingly delicious because if it doesn't appear on my page. I can actually taste the carrot in here, and you don't need a food processor to make it. So, recipe in the caption below. So good. I'm gonna eat it all. This is not me acting. Literally was only gonna have a bite. That was so delicious, I've eaten the whole thing. Can I have another one?